Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with two beautiful sliders. Right over here I've got the Yin Tiger, and right over here I've got the Bulletproof Shield. Both are from Wanwu Studio, and they are fantastic. One of my favorite fidget toys, guys. This is a nice one. It's expensive, yes. There's many materials, many options. This is zirconium, this is titanium, I believe this is brass or bronze, I always forget which one. Very expensive. I was saying this is gonna be the 300 bucks, this is gonna be 250 bucks, so we are like up there in the fidget toy realm. I just want to show you a couple differences. First of all, like the look is obviously, you have like a tiger here with the claws like ripping through the face of this one, and right over here you just got the number and this grooves which are adding a nice grip. The sides are very similar, nice chamfering going on, kind of like hollow grind. On the back also very similar, you see. They share some designs elements, but of course the Yin Tiger is much more evolved. From the size point of view, if you want to be precise, you get 1.18 up against 1.09, whereas here you get 1.89 up against 1.76. Thickness also is going to be like 0.3. And it's going to be 0.38, so a little bit bigger, obviously. I also want to check the weight, so we get all the measurements out of the way. If you want to know how much this guy is going to be for the weight, it's going to be unstable. Look at that. It's unstable, guys, so probably I'm not going to be able to tell you the weight. Maybe I am. Look at this, 3.29 for this fella, and 1.96. So you see that there's quite some difference in the weight. But operationally, like, what's the difference? So this guy, internally, Bulletproof Shield is just done, very simple construction, 12 magnets and 4 slots. This guy, no magnets? What's going on? So the magnets right over here are underneath this titanium plate and are enclosed, sandwiched between these two plates with these Torx bit screws. I believe this is a T6. And right here, it's the same thing. So magnets are not exposed into the this one, whereas you can see the magnets on this fella. Very, very interesting solution for this guy right over here, like the Magnus is employing in their sliders. So first, like, substantial difference is that. Then, like, operationally, because this is very different, you have this kind of sound. Okay. There's no Teflon tape here, so it's louder. Sound is completely different, so very complex here and more simple here, but this is louder, crisper. This is less loud and warmer. So handling also, like the feel in the hand, beside the fact that this is lighter and this is heavier, this is slimmer and this is thicker, so this is easily slidable. This requires a little bit more force. The magnets, they feel stronger. This is heavier, it's bigger, so therefore it requires a little bit more energy to operate. So you might get fatigued a little bit more with this fella rather than this, and that's something I thought to mention. There's these are not. Oops, these are not Fritz slots because they are curved. Maybe you can do some bars, I don't know, but that's not the idea, even if you can. Then there's no Fritz slots right over here on the Yin Tiger. So, I mean, they are both like fantastic sliders, both great options from Wanwu Studio. You can't really go wrong with any of those. This probably might be cheaper, this is a little bit more expensive, but still you're gonna be happy with any of these two fellas. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned.